Using the same skills we learnt while we were solving equations, we are going to change the subject of this equation from x, which is sitting alone on the left-hand side of the equation at the moment, to t. And we're going to do that by taking away the functions that surround t by doing the opposite to the other side. So the first thing we're going to do is the opposite of subtracting 3, which is plus 3. Each time we make a change, we're going to rewrite the equation with that change in it. So x is equal to 4t minus 3 becomes x plus 3 is equal to 4t. We know that this is a multiplication function, so we're going to do the opposite by dividing by 4. Now in algebra we don't see this dividing sign, so we're going to write this as a fraction by putting x plus 3 as our numerator and the 4 as our denominator. X plus 3 all divided by 4 is equal to t. And there we have t sitting by itself on the right hand side of the equation, therefore t is now the subject. I'm going to make p the subject of this formula. Firstly, I'm going to do the opposite of this, minus 2n. Rewriting the formula, m minus 2n is equal to 2p. I'm now going to do the opposite of the multiplying by 2. And just as in the previous example, I'm going to write it as a fraction. P is now the subject of the formula. In this variation, we have a bracket on the left-hand side of the formula. The first thing we're going to do is tackle what's on the outside of the bracket. This is a multiplication function, so we're going to tackle it by dividing by 3. Leaving on the left-hand side k minus 2, and on the right-hand side m divided by 3. That now leaves us with the minus 2, which we are going to add to the other side, leaving us k on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side m divided by 3 plus 2. Now try the examples in your workbook.